Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be trading binary options in All-M Trade. So, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Let's go for sell, I guess. No. Should I go for buy or sell?
Buy.
Okay. Buy means up, sell means down. Alright? Should I go for buy or sell?
Buy.
Buy. Okay. Now that somebody asked me to go for buy, I'm going for buy. That's not how it goes, but I have gone for buy. You can see that buy mark. Up means buy, down means sell. So now that I've gone for sell, we need to wait for 42 more seconds.
Sale.
No, we don't need to sell now. We need to wait for at least 1 minute. How much minutes?
1.
1 minute. Alright? Alright. Wait for 27 more seconds. If we win, we are gonna win $2,700. How much dollars? $2,700. You can see that.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So if we win, we win good. If we lose, we lose. As simple as that.
Oh my god.
Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year. So we have just won this trade, and now that we have won one trade, we need to move on and place another trade. Should I go for buy or sell?
Sale.
Okay, and what about you?
Buy.
Buy, okay. And what about you?
Buy.
Buy, okay. Two buys, one sell, and sell. Because, one for you, one for him. Equality, feminism, you know. So now that we have gone for sale, let's track it and let's see. Sale is looking fine to me. Alright, alright.
Acceptable.
If we win, we are gonna win $2,760. That's fine. If we win $2,760. But if we lose, we are gonna lose $3,000. That is a quite big mark, but it is how it is. Yeah, that's what it is. So if I close it right away, I'm gonna be getting $400 profit. But let's wait for 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and guess what? We have won another trade, and our account size has jumped all the way to 61 grand. Okay, so let's change the pair. We have placed two trades so far, and out of which we have won both of them. Let's have some fun. Let's trade quicker, boys. 5 second trades. Buy, sell.
Uh, Buy.
Buy. Okay. We have 3, 2, 1, and increment in account. We have just won another trade. Should I go for buy, sell?
Sale.
Sell. Okay. 3, 2, 1, and we have lost this trade. You see? Buy. 3, 2, okay. Won that trade. Now that we have won two trades out of three, we need to make another quick decision in order to win this one. Buy, sell.
Buy.
Buy. Okay. Let's wait for sell. 3, 2, 1, and sell was the good option, so chose for sell. Right? Let's change it. Let's change it to Bitcoin. What coin?
Bitcoin.
Okay. Let's change it to Japanese candlestick pattern. Let's go for buy or sell.
Buy.
Okay, let's go for buy. It's not going for buy. Let's go. Okay, let's go for buy. That's fine.
Sale.
Sell.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go for sale, and we have invested a lot of trades for sale. So yeah, let's get along. We have nothing to lose and nothing to gain actually, because all of this worth nothing, because that's all in demo account. And this is not an investment advice, that's just for educational purpose. Bear in mind that. Alright. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Don't chase it down, chase this one. 9, 8, 7. Let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, are we are we about to win? Yep, we are. Oh, oh, wait. 3, 2, 1, $61,000. You see our account size. How much $1,000?
$61,000.
How much you can see? 61,900.
$61,900.
Yeah, that's that's quite impressive, isn't it? It is. So buy or sell?
Sale.
Sale.
Yes.
It's not sale. It's sell. What?
Sale.
Sell.
Sale.
Yeah, not sale.
Sale.
Sale is something else. Sale is when your boat sails in water. Alright? Sell? Okay.
Sale.
Sell. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Sell
Okay.
trade has just been placed. And by the way, this is the last trade for this video. We might need to upload more videos today in order to cover all the basics, and in future we are going to be going pros. We are going to be at professional levels. All right, so let's wait. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Not that one, this one. 20 more seconds left for the trade to be closed. But if we win this, we will win big. We are gonna be getting that $69,000 mark. That's quite impressive, right? 4, 3, 2, 1, and $58,000. 3, 2, 1, 64, 69, $70,000. Yeah, we have won all. That brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, make sure to give a huge thumbs up. See you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.